In this video, we are going to show you how to avail a free 30-day Ultra membership on MyMemo. Now, MyMemo is an AI-powered knowledge management assistant designed to act as your second brain to help you organize everything. So if you click on the link that we have provided below, here it's not going to bring you to this page right here. It's going to bring you to this page, which is signing up, right? So you can just continue with Google and sign up, or if you have an Apple account, do so, or if you want to do it the old school way, just enter your email and your password here and click continue, which is counterintuitive because you want to do it as fast as you can, right? So once you've signed up to your account and you're logged in, this is going to be your dashboard. And as you can see here, it's pretty black. There's not a lot of things going on. So you have all notes, images, etc. Because this is pretty much an LLM, right? Chat with your memories. So how do we avail of the 30-day Ultra membership? That's pretty much it. All you need to do is sign up using our link below. And you're going to be here and you're going to be using the Ultra membership tier of MyMemo. And you can start doing everything. So you can ask, collections, memo cast, etc. using MyMemo. So that's how you do it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.